top news headlines. Loktak Lake will be met world-class visitor attraction, says Bhupender. Emergency meet on AFSPA held at Nagaland CM's residence. And Manipurs Covid19 case tally climbs to 1,25,723. Death toll at 2,001. Hello, this is Pony TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 7. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in detail. Union Level Minister and National BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra along with a large number of residents heard Man Ki Baat program at Bishnupur district's Potsangbam Mamang Community Hall on Sunday. Through Man Ki Baat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with people across the country on a range of important subjects. MLAs P. Sarat Chandra, L. Radhakishore and other BJP leaders paid floral tribute to Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee at the occasion. Speaking at the event, Union Minister Bhupender Yadav assured that Manipur's Loktak Lake will be developed into a world-class visitor attraction. National BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra also spoke during the program. He said BJP leaders are now visiting everyone's home and described it as development. Also present at the event was former Minister Govindas Kontosam. He thanked the residents for attending the Man Ki Baat program.
We are celebrating here in Potsangbam village of Bishnupur Kendra. On behalf of the Honorable ex-MLA, Bishnupur Assembly Constituency, Sri Govindas Kontosam.
ये बहुत बड़ा है। मैं देख रहा हूँ ये इतनी अच्छी चीज बनी हुई है, पर मैं एक बात आज कहना चाहता हूँ। इस पे सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक लगा हुआ। स्वाद तो आप अपने मुंह में ले लोगे, लेकिन बाद में नली में, जगह पे, घर के सामने परमानेंट प्लास्टिक का कचरा इकट्ठा हो जाए।
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी कोरोना के समय भी जब फर्स्ट वेव आया, जब सेकेंड वेव आया, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो फोटो आज पूरा विश्व देख रहा है, उसमें भी उन्होंने लांग्यान रखा है। इस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री नजर आते हैं ना।
A crucial closed-door meeting was held at the residence of Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rayo on Sunday on the issue of demand of repealing of AFSPA. The meeting was attended by Nagaland CM Nephew Rayo, Deputy CM Y. Patton, NPF leader T.R. Jelyang, Nagaland Home Secretary, Avijit Sinha, DGP, John Longkumer, Additional Chief Secretary and Finance Secretary. The meeting was called by the Nagaland CM to apprise the state's bureaucracy about the details of the recent meeting between a Naga political leaders delegation with Union Home Minister Amit Saha. Nagaland CM Nephew Rayo, Deputy CM Y. Patton, NPF leader T.R. Jelyang, accompanied by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on December 23, met Amit Saha in New Delhi and discussed the possibilities on withdrawing AFSPA from Nagaland and Northeast. Briefing the media, Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rayo stated that Amit Saha has assured the delegation of constituting a high-level committee to study the possibilities of withdrawing AFSPA from Nagaland. The 5-member committee will be headed by Additional Secretary Northeast MHA and will comprise of Nagaland Chief Secretary, DGP, IZR North and representative from CRPF and NPF leader T.R. Jelyang informed this correspondent. Jelyang also informed that the commandos of the 21 para special forces involved in the killing of innocent Naga civilians in the botched counter-insurgency operation will be placed under suspension. Demand of the people is clear, repeal AFSPA, and we are working towards it, but this will take time as repealing the act will have to pass through both the houses of the parliament, Jelyang added. Meanwhile, according to reports, the Union Home Ministry is likely to explore the possibility of partially lifting the Armed Forces Special Powers Act of FSPA from Nagaland and some other northeast states. Manipur's COVID-19 case tally has climbed to 1,25,723, while the death toll has reached 2,001. In the past 24 hours, the state reported 17 fresh cases, said the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room on Sunday. The positivity rate was recorded at 2.4%. The state COVID-19 Command Control Room in a release also said the new cases were detected from 712 samples tested in the last 24 hours. 7 persons were recovered in the same hours, it added. An active member belonging to the band Unlf was arrested by a combined team of Imphal East Police Commando and 16 Assam Rifles from Manipuri Koyangai area along Imphal-Dimapur Road on Saturday. Imphal East Superintendent of Police M. Pradeep Singh informed this during a press briefing in his chamber on Sunday. 4 pistols along with magazines and ammunition were also recovered from him. The arrested was identified as Mayangbam Amarjit Singh, aged 44 years, son of late Ibomcha Singh of Pangaltabi Charin Lamkhai, under Suknu Police Station. He was staying at Langol Game Village 3 under Imphal West, SP Pradeep informed. According to SP Pradeep, the UNLF cadre along with the seized weapons has been handed over to Haingang Police Station.
Myanmar intercept for giving Mayangbam Amarjit Singh, Langol Game Village to the Mark the interceptor Matunda Mana paper of the deep Magi Langol Game Village to the Im the Hoina Kulai. Her recovered togi, collizing that with the 9mm pistol, Ahom Amasung .22 pistol. Ama adagi the 33 live rounds of 9mm ammunition, adagi the 10 live rounds of .22 ammunition. Haiba mi asi akoina kanoda legal over formalities to complete tawga akoyi kanoda police station da magi further legal action di tamakta akoyi police station senator. Thank you.
The campaign by Manikanta Mutum for a peaceful and free and fair election kicked off from 20th of December in Langtabal constituency drew to a close on Sunday. The campaign was successfully carried out across 40 polling booths of the constituency, during which pamphlets were distributed to residents. Haureibi Mayai Lekai Nature Club felicitated Manikanta during a function marking the end of the campaign. Noted young painter R.K. Alex presented Manikanta's peepal tree leaf portrait to him to buoy up his effort.
Rasi asi Roshan Bagi Thorom Hijab Tari Nasi National Club Haureibi Mayai Lekai da Tujare Aduga Aina Muhajaning Badi Angkawan ke Sida Apogi polling ne fu maka armaina aigi campaign si mapung phana yam success hoina awareness program tawraga yam success hoina tawre masibi da makta su Manikanta Bagi degi Langkawan Sida lebi ba club organization khodimak amadi polling polling committee apogi belo jing Manikanta Bagi degi thagat photo seri aduga asije yamna apogi yamna nungai ba miku haijaba tare apogi phulou degi leiba inau RK Alex at manganga aigi ayekpa sapma aga mai doctor present tawbire.
A health Mela was organized by Sana Hanbi and Modhu Memorial Trust Pawarabi at Pawarabi Laningtho Putiba Community Hall on Sunday under CM's Health for All scheme. PMJAY and Ishram cards were met and distributed to beneficiaries. Tokchom Sarachandra, coordinator of Chief Minister Hakselgi Tengbang, imitated the event sponsored by K. Ronan, an intending candidate from Khundrakpam constituency. Tokchom Sarachandra said health cards should not be politicized and added that this can help save one's life. The health Mela was also held at Huidrom village. A motorcycle rally was taken out in support of Tingbaizam Swaran Kumar, an intending candidate from Oinam constituency on Sunday, as part of the Aigi Imung BJP Gi Imung campaign. A large number of his workers and supporters took part in the rally. Swaran Kumar said the aim of the rally was to show that Oinam constituency is one family.
Hai tana ko gi BJP government gi makhata pakuk seba gi pai committee ko ki dili ni ai bari li si ai sama ko ba jun so ko se BJP candidate onam AC 25 AC na simde langje pani hai river rally se ko onam de gi start aw ri ka onam kendra manung de lai ri ba ja tara ko doi ko gi laimram aina ko waroi sing ireng bam aduga ngai kong kuno kai no ingam kuno pagi kujuman adi kai kong kuleng atun semua loina phau dengan koina message sida praja punamak ta koin isai amasu hajare mera paribar BJP paribar haiba rally sima pung khana pangkuk ter matungda koina ngi community ko lama ko koina mamon kai te ba sigong lei makhong gi community ko ta ko ba miang ko ba mi kamam su.
Ningol singi punsida khwaidagi maruoiba numit asibu hena mangol hapnabagidamagta laizare bridal makeup and photo collection by Tojo Chongtham. Phone number 9366-214-258.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV English News at 7. To keep everyone healthy, door-to-door health checkup was continued at Bisnupur District's Tinungai under CM's Health for All scheme. Health and Wellness Center Tinungai Community Health Officer CHO, ANM and ASA workers conducted the health checkup. In view of the rising cases of COVID-19 and the Omicron variant, the Karnataka government on Sunday announced that the state will impose a night curfew starting December 28, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. for 10 days. The decision was taken during a high-level meeting of senior ministers and officers chaired by Chief Minister Basavaras Vomai. From December 28 onwards, for about 10 days to begin with, we would like to watch by calling a night curfew invoking Section 144 from night 10 p.m. to the next morning 5 a.m., Sudhakar said. The Karnataka government decided to impose fresh curbs even as cases of Omicron variant of SARS-CoV-2 continue to surge across India. India has so far reported over 400 Omicron cases, while Karnataka has 31 such cases, out of which 15 have been recovered, according to the data released by the Union Health Ministry. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced launching of COVID-19 vaccine for children between age 15 to 18 from January 3 and precaution dose for frontline and healthcare workers and for those above 60 years and above with comorbidities from January 10. The Prime Minister made the announcement in his address to the nation late Sunday. The administration of COVID vaccine for children in India is likely to aid in education normalization in schools and ease the worries of parents with school-going children, he said. The PM urged people to be careful as the highly contagious Omicron strain was spreading rapidly across the world and cases were on the rise. He appealed to people to not panic and use masks and wash hands regularly. The grand finale of the 18th Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast will be held on December 29 at the ITA Cultural Complex, Machkowa, from 5 p.m. onwards. This was announced by the organizers during a press conference in Guwahati on Sunday. Mega Entertainment, a noted fashion and peasant event organizer in the Northeast, announced the dates of the grand finale of the 18th edition of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast at the press conference. The press conference was addressed by fashion entrepreneur and founder of Mega Entertainment, Avijit Singha, Mega Miss Northeast 2018, Jyotismita Barua, and Deepika Devi, the official designer of Mega Entertainment. The grand finale of the 18th Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast will be held on December 29 at the ITA Cultural Complex, Machkowa, from 5 p.m. onwards, Avijit Singha said. The peasant has been supported by title sponsor Sunsilk, Dream On, Shine On with Sunsilk Thick and Long, in association with iTech Dazzler, hospitality partner Radisson Blue, shopping partner Shohum, and jewelry partner L. Gopal Jewelers, a unit of Jak Mohan Soni located at Christian Basti and Kalapahar. Before we end, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Loktak Lake will be met world-class visitor attraction, says Bhupender. Emergency meet on Afaspa held at Nagaland CM's residence. And Manipurs Covid19 case tally climbs to 1,25,723. Death toll at 2,001. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.